through these senses we make map of the world. We make a map of the world. Each one of us has a different map of the world to see things. Let me give you an example of this map of the world. It's a real example. Five of us went to see a movie recently. That movie is banned in India. Officially, it is banned in Pakistan also, but the movie houses are running it. So I was very curious to see that movie. What's in that movie which has been banned, and there are so many riots in India, and Pakistan has also banned. So let's go and see it. So we went to see the movie, five of us. When the movie finished, I asked a person, I said, "How was the movie?" And the person said, "I was weeping throughout that movie." Why? Because it was a sad love story. The Raja and the Rani, they were lovers, and the king was so brutal, and ultimately both of them were killed, and it was such a sad story. I was so sad throughout the movie. All right. Asked the other person, "How was the movie?" And he said, "It was a historical movie. I didn't see it from the sadness or the love story part of it. What I saw was how the history was being distorted or not so being distorted at some times, and was it being completely followed as it should have been historically." So at all the time looking at it as a historical, factual movie. Wow. And when I asked the third person, and he said that, "Look, there were such good, lovely love scenes of Raja and Rani, and I liked those scenes very much." Okay, entirely a different perspective. And I asked the fourth person, "How was the movie?" And he said that it was such a boring movie. I could not sit in the cinema hall, and I wanted to get out and run off. Really? And when I asked the fifth person, "How was the movie?" and he said that it was one of the most interesting movies he had ever seen in his life. What is that? Map of the world. Now remember, sir, we do not know what the reality is. The reality is what the map tells us it is. Our own map, what we make of it, it tells us this is the reality, and we take it as real. So we do not know what the reality is. So this is very important to know. First thing is to know, to be aware. The first thing is to be aware that we all have a map of the world. Right? All of us are with me? Okay, all of us are with me?
Yes, sir.
So, awareness. Oh, very important point. Unless we are aware, we can't do anything about it. For any change to take place, awareness is a must. So the question to you, another question to you is, who was right and who was wrong in perceiving that picture as it was? Who was right and who was wrong? That's the question. Map of the world. That's how we interpret things. That's how we blame things. That's how we label people. It's not the reality that it is. It's what we think is the reality. This is the lesson of NLP. Perception. Right? There are many other things that take place while perceiving the map. Those are technical things, and I would not like to touch those technicalities or those terminologies. I would not like to use here, otherwise it will be too confusing for you, right? So one thing is about this perception. Out of all these feelings, out of all these senses, what do you think is one most important sense from learning point of view? Ideal is to be balanced, to be as close to one another as possible. There are various tests which we perform, and we come to know fairly accurately about how much one person is visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Understanding awareness. Become aware of who you are really. So at the end we will do an exercise. It will help you very little bit to become aware of your senses. What today's take home could be, I was thinking, what could be the take home for you today? It could be awareness of our senses. We use them all the time, but we are not really aware as to how we are operating. Find out for yourself, are you more of visual, auditory, and then try and balance them. How do you balance them? Tell yourself, okay, today is my kinesthetic day. And feel everything today, the whole day. Just focus on the feelings, your feelings, their feelings, things, anything through feelings. Today is my auditory day. Listen to everything. Today is my visual day. Observe. So that's how we balance out our senses. What do you say? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Wonderful. Your response is excellent. Kinesthetic. This place is called Karate Chop. Let's visualize, imagine, visualize, and say, and feel. Let's do a little bit of tapping here. Come on, let's tap here. Thank you, God.
Thank you, God.
Say loudly.
Thank you, God,
That I am here.
That I am here.
That you have given me eyes to see,
That I have given me eyes to see,
ears to hear, and mind to feel, and body to feel. Thank you, God, for all your blessings. I can learn so much. I can even become inquisitive
I can even become inquisitive
and curious to learn more and more. And do something about what I have learned in my practical life.
in my practical life.
Thank you, God,
Thank you, God,
for the breakfast I had in the morning
for the breakfast I had in the morning
and the wonderful sleep I have at night.
and the wonderful sleep I had.
Thank you, God, for all your blessings. Thank you. Thank you very much. NLP point of view say the most important sense from learning point of view, remember, and the slowest sense from learning point of view is this. इसका एक और भी इफेक्ट है. विजुअल, ये देखें, ये लिखा हुआ नजर आ रहा है आपको? अपने माइंड में इस लिखे हुए को, इसका रंग चेंज कर दें, इसको येलो कर दें. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
येलो है ना?
Yes, sir.
इसको रेड कर दें. हो गया रेड?
Yes, sir.
ग्रीन कर दें, ग्रीन हो गया।
Yes, sir.
विजुअल इसलिए सबसे तेज है और लर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से वर्सटाइल है। इसको आप बड़ा कर दें, उस दीवार से लेके वहां तक एक्सपेंड कर दें, हो गया एक्सपेंड। इसको वाइब्रेटिंग कर दें, ऐसे 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 हिल रहा है। इसके हम अंदर डिफरेंट कलर्स डाल दें, रेनबो कलर्स डाल दें इसमें, हो गया। तो वर्सेटाइल है, इतना तेजी से हम इमेजेस, कलर्स, साइज, सिचुएशंस हम मेंटली, इमोशनली उसको साथ अटैच करके हम चेंज कर सकते हैं। और ऐसे कोई सेंस नहीं कर सकती, ऑडिटरी भी नहीं कर सकती। ऑडिटर आपका जो आप सोचेंगे एक टेप आपने की, तो वो टेप जो है वो उसको फिर से रिवाइंड करेंगे, फिर वो करेंगे। विजुअल में ऐसा नहीं है। विजुअल में यू जस्ट गो स्ट्रेट। अच्छा, फिर आप इसको वापस ले आए, वापस ओरिजिनल इसमें आ गए। व्हाट्स इट। आप इसको बड़ा कर सकते हैं, छोटा कर सकते हैं, हवा में सस्पेंड कर सकते हैं। तो ये जो जितनी इमेजिनेशन सी चीज़ें होती हैं, विजुअलाइजेशन की चीज़ें होती हैं, न्यू क्रिएशन होती हैं, हर रोज़ नए नए चीज़ बनती है कंप्यूटर पे सब जगह, ये सब इसमें विजुअल लर्निंग का बहुत ज़्यादा होता है। लेकिन आई जस्ट कम टू योर क्वेश्चन, एक मिनट। लेकिन जब हम विजुअल लर्निंग होती है वो उतनी जल्दी भूल भी जाती है, उतनी जल्दी वो भूल भी जाती है, मिट भी जाती है।